the digital gap that exists between the haves and have-nots within the city of Seattle and Kern County is very evident, because the farther the digital gap exists, the more disparities we're actually seeing. Because when someone is sick, it's particularly senior, they could call their doctor, they could make an appointment that way before COVID, or they could walk into their doctor's office because they want to be seen right away. But now they have to make an appointment on the internet. Some of them don't have appropriate internet services available to them. Some of them don't have smartphones that are connected to, so they can see virtually the doctors. And I can imagine right now, as the vaccines are rolling out, some of the requests and some of the conversations we're having with people is, well, where do I get my vaccine? Because you have to go onto the clinic's website and book an appointment to make sure that you get in that. And what happens is, like, those appointments are going to be filled up, and you have to refresh the screen multiple times. Someone who's elderly, senior, limited English proficiency, internet challenge, is going to have much more difficulty accessing those services. So I think we need to look a little bit further and determine, how do we acknowledge this existing issue. I think that the focus should be put into making sure that a lot of these families, seniors in particular, have access to these resources that they do need. I'm talking about internet accessibility. I'm talking about tablets to some of them who are very low income, fixed income for that matter, who don't have that capability of buying a $200, $300 tablet. So I think being in a city that is heavy on tech with multi-billion-dollar companies around us, I think it's incumbent upon us to find a solution, and I believe there is a solution out there that will address this.